Two things are holding you back from getting the permanent relief that you want with your plantar fasciitis. Without these two key points, you're going to be stuck using KT tape, lacrosse balls, ice cups, and orthotics forever. I get it. You've been through the ringer. I see patients like you in my office every single day. You're frustrated, despondent, angry, even considering getting your foot split open by a surgeon like a holiday roast. You've seen chiropractors, physical therapists, podiatrists, acupuncturists, and you still can't find any relief. Heck, you've done so much YouTube research that your suggested page looks like an orthopedic surgeon's wet dream. Let me be the first person to break this down for you in a no BS type of way. The first thing that you need in order to permanently relieve your plantar fasciitis is full ankle flexibility. The best way to do that is with this test. All you're going to want to do is find a flat surface. You're going to put your foot down adjacent to that couch while keeping your heel planted on the floor. You're going to bend your knee until it touches the couch. Be careful not to let your heel come up, and keep backing up until your heel either begins to come up, right there's a little bit for me, and that's where your measurement will be. Put your fist down right next to your foot, and if there is space between your fist and the surface, you have enough ankle flexibility. If you fail that test, or you have different range of motion from left to right in your ankles, the first priority for you is to improve your ankle flexibility. Now, the fastest way to get that done is through shockwave therapy. Shockwave therapy can use sound waves to break down fibrous adhesion in your muscles, ligaments, and tendons around the ankle joint, thus providing you with the fastest, safest, most effective way to improve range of motion quickly. If you do not have access to shockwave therapy, go ahead and find yourself an ART certified specialist or somebody that is used to, on a day-to-day basis, breaking down adhesion in their office. If that is inaccessible to you, I'm going to go ahead and stick a link in one of these corners for the very best at-home exercise that you can do in order to improve ankle dorsiflexion. Numero dos, you must get direct regenerative treatment onto the plantar fascia. Well, Dr. Bancheri, how do I get regenerative treatment in through my tendon? You have two really good options. The first one is one that I always recommend, shockwave therapy. Shockwave therapy is research proven to kill senescent zombie cells, thus leaving your body an opportunity to utilize their own stem cells to regenerate the tissue. The second option that you have is PRP, plasma-rich platelet injections. I find that they work really well on tendons, especially when you've given the ankle full range of motion. If your plantar fasciitis or plantar fasciosis has persisted for a long time, there is a good chance that you've developed bone spurs in through the actual structures of the ankle. Now, shockwave, PRP will not get rid of those bone spurs. In order to get rid of the bone spur, you have one option, and that option is a surgical removal. Now, don't go running to surgery quite yet, because you can get special orthotics that help to kind of cushion that bone spur and allow it to not be as symptomatic as possible. The other thing that you can do is just accept and understand that you've got to be very careful being on your feet or walking long distances. While the average person may get 50 to 75% relief from a care plan done in this style, you may only get 30 or 50% relief. There is a possibility that some of your plantar fasciitis symptoms are stemming from a different area in your body. The hip can often change the biomechanics of the knee and the ankle, thus putting more load in the plantar fascia. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and link a video right here for you to click on. That's going to be my favorite hip flexibility exercises in order to get your hips functioning better. Get your ankle flexibility full, get direct regenerative treatment to your plantar fasciitis, and you will get permanent substantial change. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, please hit that subscribe button. And again, remember, pain-free people change the world.